Hey, how's it? This is Bo out here. Nice weather today. The temperature went from 100 degrees to 80 degrees. It's 6:30 in the morning on a Wednesday. And the water's still coming down. We got a good inch or two. A lot of lightning and thunder and all night long. All the plants have been watered, thanks to God. Car got washed. All the trees and the farms and all the farmers are happy. Not any wind or anything to speak of. And my garden is growing. The marigolds that I plant every year, it keeps the bugs away. It does. And it brings in butterflies. Of course, you can take the little buds off when they're done. Put them in a can. Those are my cans right there. And just save them for next year. It holds back the mosquitoes. It holds back the other vicious little things that fly around. And the only way to control the nasty ones is raid or black flag. I do like the fact that it attracts butterflies. Butterflies are cool. Imagine being a butterfly, just flying around. Well, I'll get on out of here and let you good people have at it today. It's a Wednesday.